his word. People say you this time, oh, they a liar. But they a liar, they a Lord. People say you this time, oh, they a liar. Who's afraid of little old me? You should be.
The minute that my left hand meets your waist, and then I watch your face, put my finger on your tongue, 'cause you love to take it.
Still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still savvy. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life, and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a letter once. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. I'm so happy as hell when I got his life.
Very first breath when your head's been drowning underwater. It's the lightness in the air when you're there chest to chest with the lover. It's holding on though the road's long, seeing light in the darkest things. Innocent say I left her checked. She was a bad girl, never loved us. Calling it quits now, send me on red. I think it's Levy. Innocent say I left her. She was a bad girl, never loved us. Calling it quits now, send me on red. I think it's Levy.
You have the heart of a chief and the soul of a dragon.
Mami, te siento lejos, dime dónde estás. Te quiero chingar, te voy a arrastrar. Déjate llevar, apaga el celular. Si estás conmigo no te va a pasar nada.
I always cry before I fight.
You did always cry before?
Yeah.
What were you crying about?
You know, I'm getting ready to change into somebody I don't like.
You're getting ready to change. You change into the fighter,
Yeah.
and you don't like that fighter.
Not really. No, not really.
Wow, Mike Tyson, that's illuminating. You are the greatest fighter that ever lived, and you didn't like that guy.
No, because he came more with fighting.
He what?
He brought more than just fighting with him.
What do you mean?
He brought like jealousy, enviness, guilt. He brought a lot of stuff.
All the bad qualities
Yeah.
that you learned were bad,
Yeah.
you assigned to that Mike Tyson.
Yeah.
That isn't the Mike Tyson I'm talking
No,
to.
no, not at all.